Want to boost your Wi-Fi signal quickly? In this video, I'll show you how to set up your Totolink range extender using the simple WPS button method. No passwords or apps needed. Let's get started. Step 1. Plug in the extender. Plug your Totolink range extender into a power outlet halfway between your router and the area with weak signal. Wait for the power LED to turn solid blue. Step 2. Press WPS on main router. Locate the WPS button on your main router. Press and hold the WPS button for 2 seconds. Step 3. Press WPS on Totolink extender. Within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on your Totolink extender for 2 seconds. The WPS LED on the extender will blink rapidly, showing it's connecting to your router. Step 5. Test and reposition. On your phone or laptop, connect to your existing Wi-Fi network. The extender uses the same name as your home Wi-Fi network followed by EXT and use same password. If the signal LED turns red or orange, move the extender closer to your router and repeat steps 2 to 4. That's it. Your Totolink range extender is now boosting your Wi-Fi using WPS. No complicated setup needed. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel to get more guides. Thanks for watching.